Alright, I got the BENPAL karaoke machine. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. I'm going to tell you what I do know about this machine and what I could not figure out, probably because of age. I'm going to be honest with you. It's not very heavy at all. Easy, it's compact. It's about 14 by 10 and a half. Let's say 14 by 14 with the handle included. It's made out of a really nice wood case here. The case itself, the quality on the case is incredible. I think it's very nice. It's got a really nice grill on this. Looks like I can feel 2 speakers in here, and these are going to be 30-watt speakers on here. So you've got a 30-watt portable amplification system. It comes with a remote control, and you're going to need the remote control for some of the functions on the front, which I will show you. 2 wireless microphones. Now, the remote control is going to take 2 AAA batteries. Each wireless microphone is going to take 2 AA batteries. Pretty simply unscrew the bottom here, and there you go. Put them in. It's got an on and an off button on them. It's very simple. And the microphone itself, it's not a you're playing in a band type quality, but it's perfect for, you know, household stuff. It's lightweight, but also looks durable enough to get you through some karaoke sessions. It also has the 2 mics color coded. The gray one's gonna be microphone 1, and the orange one is gonna be microphone 2. So let's turn them on. You just press the button. Light comes on, tells you. We've got a microphone volume on the top right here, so I'll show you. You just turn the microphone volume up, and you're good to go. Let me try mic 2. There's mic 2, mic 2. So when you're using the microphone, you have a reverb option. Reverb. So we also have a bass setting. We can turn the bass up or down. And we have a treble setting on here too. So simple to use. Just turn it on and it's good to go. Another feature this thing has too is it comes with this charging cable and power cable. The cable itself is about 3 foot long, but once you have it fully charged, you can just unplug it. And it runs off of, it'll tell you how much battery you have left on here. So it can be used unplugged. You can charge it up and use it. All right, onto the display here. We've got this auto link thing. And when you try to auto link it, it tells you to download, to scan this QR code. And it takes you to a service app that also tells you that it's not advisable to download. But I did it anyway, which is right here. But I could not get it to function with the auto link app. So I have no idea what that does. Bluetooth, really easy to connect. You just connect Bluetooth 8. Now I was able to connect Bluetooth 8 on here, and once I connected to my phone, I was able to cast music from my phone onto the machine. So that part worked. Not video, but music. It's got a movie setting and it has a music setting. Now this goes with this aux and this file manager. If we look at the top of this machine here, we can see that we've got a USB in and a micro SD card in, an AV in, this USB and this micro SD card in would function with this file manager and this aux. That's where you get the movie and music from. And I'm assuming that's how you also use the karaoke feature of this device. Probably have to have a USB or micro SD. I could be wrong, I'm old. All right, so you can see on the top, we've got microphone volume, reverb. Looks like a microphone input. You can plug a corded mic into here. It looks like there's a radio feature on here too that you can use to listen to the radio. We could go into the setup, and once you're in there, you can change different things like the system language, the backlight setup, and so forth. So I was unable to actually use this for karaoke because I don't have whatever is needed to do karaoke on here. And I was having some trouble with the directions on this. I'm a little bit older. This isn't my forte, karaoke machines. But basically it is a 30-watt PA system with the ability to connect several devices to it. Micro SD, USB. You can connect via Bluetooth on your phone and do what you want with it. But if you're looking for something like this, check this one out by BENPAL.